सौंदर्यं निजहृद्गतं प्रकटितं स्त्रीगूढभावात्मकं पुंरूपं च पुनस्तदन्तर्गतं प्राविशत्स्वप्रिये संश्लिष्ट उभयोर्बभौ रसमयः कृष्णो हि यत्साक्षिगं रूपं तत्त्रितयात्मकं परमभिध्येयं सदा वल्लभम् शिवल्लभ प्रतिनिधिं तेजोराशिं दयार्णवं गुणातीतं गुणनिधिं श्रीगोपीनाथमाश्रये। न मन्त्रे न तन्त्रे न च ज्ञानसिद्धौ न वैकुण्ठबुद्धेस्तु वैकुण्ठलोके गतिर्विठ्ठलेशे रतिर्विठ्ठलेशे मतिर्विठ्ठलेशे सदा वै ममास्तु। श्रीवेदव्यास विष्णुस्वामी संप्रदाय समुद्धार संप्लुत श्री पुरुषोत्तम वदनावतार सर्वाम्नाय संचार वैष्णवाम्नाय प्राचुर्य प्रकार श्री बिल्वमंगलाचार्य सांप्रदायिकार्पित साम्राज्यासन अखंड भूमंडलाचार्य वर्य जगद्गुरु महाप्रभु विजयतेतराम विजयतेतराम विजयतेतराम। Today, on the divine day of Shri Vallabhacharya Ji's Pradurubhav Mahotsav, let's try to understand Shri Vallabh's Swarup and who is Shri Vallabh. Vallabh is the incarnation of the divine fire. That is why he is glorified as Vaishwanaraha or the divine fire. The Vedas also say that Mukhad Agnir Ajayatah. Mukhad Agnir Ajayatah is a part of Veda Shruti that says that the Lord's mouth is Agni Swarup and Shri Vallabh is also Lord's Mukhavatar, hence he is Agni Swarup. What is the aim behind Shri Vallabh's Pradurbhav on this earth? When innumerable divine souls were disappointed because they could not find any straight and straightforward way to reach the Lord, at that time Shri Thakurji asked Shri Vallabh to descend on this earth and create an easy way through which a layman could reach the Lord. And to the commandment of Bhagwan, Shri Vallabh descended upon the earth and discovered the Pushti Bhakti Marg, and we are too fortunate to be a part of it today. And this Pushti Bhakti Marg was produced by Shri Vallabh for the upliftment of the divine souls. That is why in Sarvottam Stotra, Shri Vallabh is complimented as Daivodhara Prayatnatma. It means that the one who is actively devoted to the upliftment of the divine souls that are dear to the Lord. So Shri Vallabh is a way. He is a path that leads a layman to the Lord. Shri Gosai Ji explains Shri Vallabh's Swarup very nicely in Sphurat Krishna Premamrit Stotras, in Sphurat Krishna Premamritam in the 4th shlok, that Kvachit Pandityam Chen na nigamagati sapi yadina kriyasa syapi syad yadina harimarge parichayah यदि स्यात् सोपि श्री व्रजपति रति नेति निखिलैहि गुणैरन्यः को वा विलसति विना वल्लभवरम्. In this fourth shlok of Sphurat Krishna Premamrita Stotram, it is very nicely said that many people have too much of knowledge, but they are not introduced to the Vedas. Many are introduced to the Vedas, but they do not develop interest in the Vedas. Many people develop interest in the Vedas, but they do not follow the orders written in the Vedas. Many follow the orders written in the Vedas, but they are not introduced to the Vaishnavism. Many are introduced to the Vaishnavism, but again, they do not develop love in the Lord. And this is the real truth. But the only and only person in this world who has all of these positive qualities is only and only Shri Vallabh. And Shri Vallabh is so much intelligent that Shri Yadunath Ji explains in Vallabh Digvijay that Makrit Shravana Grahana Paturvala Saraswati. This is an awesome name for Shri Vallabh, that Yadunath ji tries to describe Vallabh's Swarup in this way, that Shri Vallabh is expert in listening and accepting the knowledge. And he also refers Shri Vallabh as Bala Saraswati. What is Bala Saraswati? That a great scholar but of a younger age. Shri Vallabh is so divine. Shri Yadunath ji also describes Shri Vallabh as Swayam Purushottam Vadana Vakpater Avataraha. Means Shri Vallabh is himself Shri Purushottam or Shri Thakurji's avatar, and Vakpate means he is the leader of the knowledge. Shri Vallabh is the fruit of 100 Somyagyas that his forefathers had done, and the start of this story was from Shri Yajnanarayan Bhatt, and at that very time Shri Yajnanarayan Bhatt ji was doing a Somyagya, and while the Somyagya was in progress, at that time Shri Bhagwan, he incarnated in the Yajna Kund and instructed and ordered Yajnanarayan Bhatt and told him that whenever 100 Somyagyas are completed in your kul, I will be taking birth in your kul. So Shri Yajnanarayan Bhatt was too happy, and 100th Somyagya was finished by Shri Lakshman Bhatt ji. That is why Shri Vallabh has descended on this earth as Sakshat Shri Purushottama Vakpater Avataraha. And we get this written in the Mool Purush by Shri Dwarkesh ji in the first stanza, that Dvijarajate Hari Aya Prakate Somayagya Kiyo Jabe Kundate Hari Kahi Bani Janma Kul Tumhare Abe Chakit Tatakshana Bhaye Sabjan Aisi Abalon Bhai Kabe Sunat Hi Man Harakh Kino Dhanya Dhanya Kahyo Sabe. Shri Dwarkesh ji describes the scenario at that very moment, that Shri Prabhu had incarnated in the Yajna Kund. Shri Yadunath ji also describes in the Vallabh Digvijay that Jwalan Mandale Dhyayas Tatraiva Shri Yajna Narayanam Paramaramaniya Vayamam Varabhaya Mudra Virajitam Prasanna Vadanam Rajiva Lochanam Pitambaram Vipravesham Bhagavantam Pradurabhutam Dadarsha. He tries to describe all the guns of Prabhu who had incarnated on that very place. And Lord, when he incarnated in the Yajna Kund, he said Yajnanarayan Bhatt that I will be taking birth in your kul to protect the Sadharma. So here we can link Lord Krishna's Vani, that is Bhagavad Gita, in which Lord has said that Dharma Sansthapanarthaya Sambhavam Yuge Yuge, that I will be incarnating, I will be taking avatars on this Bhutal to develop Sadharma and to finish Adharmas. Shri Vallabh is Sakshat Bhagwan and has come on this earth to protect all of us. Also, we can conclude that Shri Vallabh is Sakshat Parabrahma, or Shri Vallabh is Sakshat Purushottama Vakpater Avataraha or Purushottama Avataraha by the 5th stanza in Mool Purush by Shri Dwarkesh ji, that Padhe Charu Ved Aru Khat Shastra Mahinachar mein Tatku Acharaj Bhayo Yah Kaun Roop Vichar mein Nind Ai Kaho Prabhu Sandeh Kyo Tum Karat Ho Pratham Bani Bhai Hai So Prakat Jano Ab Bhayo. Means Shri Vallabh had completed learning all the 6 Shastras in just 4 months. By seeing this, Shri Lakshman Bhatt ji, or Shri Vallabh's father, was astonished that how is this possible? Then he understood that Shri Vallabh is not a normal child. He is something different from this world. And slowly and gradually, complex questions were filled in his mind. And to clear this bundle of complex questions, Nind aayi kaho Prabhu sandeh kyo tum karat ho, that Shri Lakshman Bhatt ji was once sleeping, and Prabhu came in his dreams and told him that pratham bani bhai hai so prakat jano ab bhayo, that as it was told to your forefathers that I will be taking birth in your kul, so now I am here in front of you, so do not do any questions or arguments in this. This is clear and true. So Shri Vithalnath ji also, Shri Gosai ji also explains us that Vallabha vastutah Krishna evahi. Shri Vallabh is actually Shri Krishna. So we all should request Shri Vallabh to always keep us in his lotus feet, and always we try to do Bhagavat Seva, and eventually, gradually, we increase our love in God's lotus feet and Shri Vallabh's lotus feet. Shri Vallabhadhisha ki jai.